Hello, my name is Paul, and today I am in VMware, Virtual Machine Ware, if you don't know what that means. But why am I in a virtual machine? Because, as you can see here, this is Windows 10. This is the technical preview. It can download for free. I'm going to go later, actually more towards the end of the video. But what's new about Windows 10? Well, if you have a genuine copy, shut up TV, if you have a genuine copy of Windows 8, you're going to get a free update to Windows 10. Because Microsoft is like, we're sorry we screwed up and stuff. But this time they let the computer be a computer and the tablet or mobile be what it should be. Because I don't have touchscreen, so it's only a computer. And what's more, we have these things, but the most, actually I'll start from the right, we don't have any chance bar, even though I still have this to play around with the settings. It's not in internet, the actual computer is wireless connected, but boom, left. This button here, we don't have any chance bar, we don't have any Metro UI wall menu. So if you heard about Windows 10 or Windows 9, where you skip the number, you should know about this. The new start menu. New. I don't know what's wrong with me, but anyway. So yeah, it's if you used Windows 7, you're going to be kind of familiar with this. Windows Live people, yeah. Still, it's a technical preview. It's in its very early state, so here should be the people lifestyle. Can I show people, or is it broke? Yep, it's gone. We got the search, we got all apps, and we got like a name. It's no more here-ish. Also, this has been moved from here to here. Maybe there's a way to put it down there, but I don't know. And we got this Metro UI thingy. We can move, edit, and we can add things like folders. I can do this, like put it right here under, so it's going to be here. It's taking more space. I like to see that, and also I would like to be able to make folder. Like I want to make a folder where I have PC settings and picture, just put it over and make folder like in Windows Phone 8.1 update 1. I think that is the one that's got this folder, so I can unpin from start. Anyway, I can also resize things: small, medium, wide, and a large one. So yeah, this is the new start menu. I like it because it's not the whole screen, and if I don't want to like get like a ton of shortcuts or fill this bar up, I can simply make here and hopefully a folder right here. That would be awesome. Folders here, but I would also like folders here. Like if I have the Adobe Suite with all like Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere, Lightroom, all of that stuff, I want to make a very little folder right here to open and get to choose. It's going to take less space, and it will be a really nice addition. We got this button here. It's more for the touch screen. V is, oh, there we go. So yeah, also writing. Oh, change the cursor a bit. That I T. Yeah. Writing with mouse is not the best thing ever. But yeah. Okay, let's go to this. So we've seen this, let's go to this one. This is actually this search here, but it's more like you can see a lot of more stuff. Let's say Google is going to search on the internet, or yeah, Google Chrome and Google.com. It's going to search on the search app. This was a Metro app. It's using Bing. I wished it was Google, but we can't. Yeah, the new Metro apps are windowed, and I can snap them. So yeah, and there were some options like share and stuff. Now they're removed here, like app command, search, share, play, project, settings of the apps is going to show here. And we got this. So the chance bar is still around, but not that much. I can still have this one, and now I locked it. Keyboard, touch, keyboard, handwriting panel. So yeah, we still have this. Notifications, hide for, I don't know, 138 hours. So some stuff from Windows 8 are still here. And why? Because this is actually a like I said, if you have Windows 8, you're going to get this update for free, because Windows 10 is actually a modified version of Windows 8. They let the computer be again. I tried like 2 times before, and yeah. Let's get back to Windows. So yeah, they let the computer be a computer and tablet be a tablet. I can show you the Metro UI. You can see it on YouTube. There's a video by Microsoft. I'm going to link it in the description below. So yeah, Metro apps now they are windowed. In the go away. If you are in tablet mode, you're not going to get this bar up here, and I think you're going to get the chance bar. Maybe, I don't know, I can't test it yet. So yeah, this one we've seen already. It's a search. It's like the chance bar, and I think it was the first one, maybe. This one, task view. My first laptop had Windows Vista, and it had something like that view. Unfortunately, Vista screwed it up, and from the amazing cooling from Acer, it just died. Now it's running at 58% of its total power. But if I press this, I mean, if you had Mac or even Linux, you're going to be familiar with this. Windows, I'm in this one, and I can add more and more, and then just it looks like my screen is not big enough, but let's go here. This is the new design. It's got less margins, I think. Do they even have margins? I don't know, but they did something like I have like 3 folders here. 3 folders here. If I get this here, I'm going to get this. Videos is going to put on top. Then I can do this on a quarter of the screen. I can put this here. So this is quite a nice thing. Now that we can split into 4, I really like that. And I don't know why I didn't drink some water before doing this video. Calculator. This is actually the other screen. Yeah, this was our last one. And here we have, stay here, there we go. You have like a task view where you can see your open windows, and you can actually, like, if I close videos and like it's gone. If I close the command prompt, it's gone. So yeah. Yeah, apps open, and you can see here are some apps, but they're not on the screen, they're on other screens, and they have a very little bar down there. And if I go here, you're going to see that the open apps on this window are actually, like, until now they have a more opaque thing there. Again, you get two calculators, the Metro one and the desktop one. Again, I can do this. Come on, work. Why you not work? Tell me please. There we go. And you see, now I can get the calculator here, but it's got some snapping problems that I'm going to go in the next one. Yeah. Again, I can close apps. You can see here, look at this, is the calculator open, and it shows me I have yeah, there are both of these. I can close them, and now I can delete some of these windows. Yeah, those that are, here are some snaps. While the others, they show that you don't have any of these on your window. Well, now it's actually better with the name, because you got Windows, what's thinking at the apps, but now I got with everything Windows everywhere. These are two Metro apps: PC settings and store. You don't want to connect? Nope. But the Jesus, my neck. The apps are snapping as usual, and you get the smart suggestion. I don't know what's so smart about it, because you can actually choose from the from all apps that are in that window, but you can get them on a quarter of the screen. If I try to snap, it's going to have some space, because it's got, I think, a minimum resolution of 1024 by 768. Now it's not running at that resolution, but if your resolution is not slower, lower. What's wrong with me? Like, this is the minimum resolution that you need to have to use the Metro apps. I don't have, this is the actual resolution of my screen. It's just a virtual machine. It doesn't know exactly your info of your computer. It could, but it doesn't. Again, the same things everywhere. PC devices, lock screen, display devices, PC info. You can it's this actually the virtual machine is not a dual core. It's running only on one core. So yeah, limited touch support with 8 touch points. I don't know how am I going to try and get. I heard something. Doesn't matter. I don't know how I can get into the tablet mode, because I don't have a touch screen. Some tricks with the no. So yeah, typing, power and sleep. When plugged in, turn off. They're all here. And now here's a bigger example of everything. Some why is it in Romanian? Oh, god damn it. Yeah, let me change this. Come on, internet. Yeah, I wasn't careful. Come on, load! You. Yeah, no swearing. So yeah, again. Okay, now it's loading. Windows.microsoft. Just if you want to get it, you can access this one and get started. You're going to need to log in with your Microsoft account, be an actually you're going to get to be an insider, and then you are going to be able to download the technical preview for free. Everything is free apart from VMware, which costs. You can get a 30-day trial. So this is how you get it. If you don't want to access, you can simply go away. And there we go. It's going to redirect you to this page, and it's going to remain again. So yeah, let's talk about nothing. So that's how you get it. But let's talk about the installation. It's very similar. It's actually the same as on Windows 8. It's actually the same looking. It's the same procedure since Windows Vista. Yeah, I think that is. I don't think XP had that kind of installer. It may have it. I don't know. But yeah. Even installation. Even Microsoft tells you not to install this on your primary machine, and they're perfectly right. They even tell you this is not a finished operating system. This is it's in its very early state. Install it either on a secondary PC that you use like for testing. Or what you should do what I did here, unless you have a single core CPU on your computer and less than 1 GB of RAM. I don't know why you would have it like this, but you should, if you don't have any secondary computer compatible, you should get a virtual machine. I think it works with VirtualBox. Yeah, VirtualBox by Oracle. Yeah, I'm actually going to access the site. What? That's all. VirtualBox, I think it works. For me, it didn't work. Maybe because I was setting up as other operating system, other 32-bit, because it wasn't in the list. But after I found out that this is built on top of Windows 8, put it in Windows 8 compatibility mode, some stuff, and it's going to work. That's what I did, and I've got the internet. I actually selected at first the other, and it didn't work on VMware. It couldn't see my USB drives, it couldn't see the internet, it couldn't get audio. So yeah. Oh, it's here now. Actually, I don't know if when I tested Windows 8 it actually read my USB drives. Let's see. Will you read it? Or we're too lazy. So yeah, you can make a 50 gigabyte virtual hard disk. I think that's enough, because you're not going to game on a virtual machine unless you are on a Mac and you want to use Windows on your Mac. So yeah, it looks like it doesn't see my USB. It's still a virtual machine. So if you want this on your main computer, use a like VirtualBox or VMware. As VMware, it's I think the safest, not safest, they're all safe. The easiest way, because you don't have to do, maybe it would work with VirtualBox, I don't know. Minimum requirements. You need to have a CPU that has at least 1 GHz, at least 1 GB of RAM, a DirectX 9 compatible video card and sound card of some sort, so it's going to work on most of the computers. On some computers we won't be able to install it. Actually, if I go into the control panel, now with the Windows 8 looks and the new how it's working now, I need to change some stuff. What do I want to search for? Yeah, control panel. There we go. No. Come. Oops. It's going to get me into the control panel. Or it won't. Okay. Now I can get here. Now I know. Open device and printers. Yeah. So I don't have some drivers. It's actually model, VMware, stuff like that. And yeah, model, manufacturer. If I go to hardware, you can see that I have a AMD Athlon 2P. The CPU, if it was a dual core, it should have 2 of these, but it only has 1, so it's running on 1 core. But if I go down, I actually seen this yesterday. It's emulating like a Pentium. I don't know why, memory module, stuff like that. But I've seen this, a Intel Pentium 2. Pentium 2, wow, I think that's old. So yeah. On some computers, not all of them, you won't be able, it's not going to let you install the preview. If I would install it on this machine, I think it wouldn't let me at all. But it's a virtual machine, you can install everything. Even though this is an AMD computer, I had on the previous hard drive a Mac OS virtual machine. Mac OS usually is running all of their Macs, Apple Macs, are running on Intel CPUs. They don't have AMD drivers, well, for the video card in the Mac Pro. So that's a thing. So yeah, it's nice. I really love the new start menu, but still like some icons disappear. Still in its early stage. This one, it doesn't make sense unless you don't want to press 2 things. Actually, 1 after all, because you can still. They could have done something like, if I hover on this, it's going to show me these, only the icons, and here's going to be, and when I go over, it's going to expand. and I can click and search, like on this one. I don't know what they're going to do with it. I'm going to have only the icons, and if I can see, oh, PC settings, go, it's going to extend and show me the name, and click it and go there. That would be nice, because then you wouldn't have to like start, press two things like hover and then. But some people may find it annoying if they boom, boom, boom is going to make something there ish. So yeah, this is the new Windows 10, the unfinished version. Until when you can use it? Until 15th of March or April, I think it's March, you are going to be able to use it and help them improve the software. After that you won't be able to use it, so if you actually have some data on again, I thought they got rid of this, like if I close an app it's going to remove from here, but anyway. If you install it on a computer and you had some photos of things or something like that, and the Windows just expired, you can get, let's say, Linux, because you can boot it from the drive, from a CD or USB flash drive. Actually, when the hard drive in this computer broke, I had some images on it and documents for the family. So what I did, I got a DVD, I put Ubuntu on it, and I saved everything. I don't know how it worked, but it was amazing. So yeah, maximum speed, memory, yeah, only don't install it on your main computer. You could on another partition, but I still recommend having, if you install it on your main computer, I recommend having another I drink some water. Another software, so you can back up everything. If this you're not going to be able to boot into Windows 10, you're going to be able to recover some stuff. And that's very, very important, because if you have some family photos or even work documents, important work documents, and you're going to lose them, you're not screwed, you're not dead, but there are some things after all. Yeah, this is the new Windows 10. That's this is how it's going to look. It's maybe they're going to stay one more year to write stuff on it, change some stuff. It might look different a bit, just a minor, because this is what they wanted to do, bring back this actually this part. So no more like a touch interface. As I said, I want to be able to make folders here of apps. I can move this, and here. That will be awesome, because still I can get, I have a document folder. Oh, actually it changed with the color. Huh, I didn't see it. Windows feedback. There are some apps to send them some stuff, some help if you find a bug. Like in the start menu, like just say some tiles don't have any more icons. I don't know. I'm going to see how I'm going to do this. You could do this as well, but it's my computer, it's very slow right now. when I was preparing the Windows, actually it crashed. Not the actual Explorer. What it did, I'm going to minimize it, is background, yeah. Name app, it's not here. Services, where are you? Well, I think it's, oh, Windows processes. Windows Explorer, yeah. Oh, I can't end it. Oh, end task. This is what happened. And the background image stayed. And if you get into this problem and you have task manager, just go to file, run new task, and write in explorer.exe. If you don't have your task manager open and this happens, Windows R, come on, it should work. Okay. It's struggling to keep the task manager open. Wow, I'm amazed. Come on. Yeah, there. Yeah, this will appear and it's going to get it again. It should restart automatically, but yeah, and it's back. You can look here, and if something bad happens, I don't know why, would remember what it could be. Good luck with that. Yeah, it's quite taking some of my performance. CPU was the most. Task manager is taking. There we go. So yeah. Yeah. What else? I think nothing. Windows 10. You can get it for free from preview.windows.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and you just follow the steps and you're going to get. If you have only one computer in your house, get a virtual machine, like VirtualBox. There are ways of making it work. The actual support, the full support for Windows 10 technical preview is going to be in VMware Workstation 11. I have Workstation 10 at the moment. So yeah, and just help them get it better. See bugs, report them. It's free, but even though it's a free Windows, don't use it as your main OS. Let's say apps, or other apps like people. Now searching this to feedback. Context don't sync, so you can see a lot from the. Yeah, let's see. Icon. Nothing yet. As I said, maybe because it's a virtual machine. But you got even for powering off and on. You got it even for Internet Explorer. Update and recovery start. Most used app list, desktop, app charms. Touchscreen and start menu. Yeah, see? I can go and see what's going on, and I think it's the chance bar and Windows to be able to switch between. Once I'm going to be able to find, actually when I'm going to find a way to switch between tablet mode without a touch screen, I'm going to show it to you. But until then, have a nice day.